Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the strong acid in Subnautica 2. This can be used to craft things like the Cowtray chassis or the tadpole or some kind of electronics like the dedicated core or power cell. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and discover the processor, which you can find how to do on my channel, so make sure to check it out. And inside of here, you'll see in the refinement tab, strong acid. You'll need 2 times necrolytic cyst, which can be found by going to a biome, which I'm going to show you right now. So you want to go from the life pod towards north, just like here. You'll need to go about 300 or 200 meters, just like I'm going towards the bloom. And here you should find a biome with some pinkish corals. Here you want to navigate yourself to this kind of plant, which is a orb on some like pink tentacles. Go ahead and scan it, and using the survival multi-tool you can go ahead and cut the necrolytic cyst. Now you want to go back to your base. You'll need to have 2 necrolytic cysts for 1 strong acid, so make sure to get enough of them for your use. And now, once we are back at our base, we go ahead and park our tadpole. And now, you can go to the processor, go to the left side, click configure, and here you'll see strong acid. So click on it and select load processor. This is going to take about 30 seconds to make. And once it's done, it's going to be shown in this processor output right here. So this is pretty much all. How to get the strong acid in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.